Everyone. So today I'm going to show you my LinkedIn lead generation system that I designed for my recent client. So, the leads are very important for every business. But when we are getting leads, three parameters are very important. For example, first one is how much cost we are spending on getting leads. The second, are these leads verified or not? The third one, are we getting the enough data that we can convert into sales? So by keeping these three parameters in mind, I designed this solution that is optimized and is getting the leads you can see in my sheet from LinkedIn. So how it is working, you can you know that on LinkedIn we can scrap the profiles of people on specific keyword, but sometimes in this method we will not get the relevant leads that are actually interested in our business or in our service. So what we can do, that the approach I follow, we can scrap the comments of our competitors. So yes, as my business is AI automation, so I know that my competitor is Mike Putia or Nick Sarab or the guys that I know my competitors. So these are influencers in AI automation. So what I can do, I can go to their posts. So you can see these people that are commenting is basically the potential leads that are really interested in AI automation. So I can sell my services to these leads. So how my system is working, I will just simple copy the link of this post and will I execute this workflow. I will get the form, I will paste how much leads I want to scrap. You can mention 1000, 10,000, even 1 lakh. My this system will scrap the leads how much comments are on the post. So for example, I will say like 100. So when I will click submit, so in backend my system is running, you can see, and it will generate the sheet that you can see. For example, here it will generate the data. It will come up the data, for example, with full name, their first name, their last name, their headlines that is mentioned on their profile, their profile URL, their profile first image, and then their about section, that what this person is doing actually, their location and their city location, their complete location. And these columns basically are the checks that I make sure that is this person that we are going to scrap is creator or influencer. If he is, then it will mention true, and if he is not, then it will mention here false. And you can see that here it is scrapping the person background image, and then it is URN ID and their followers account, how much followers are there on profiles. So and then their connections, and then we can you can see that the company in which the person is working, that you can see. Also scrap the URL of that, the person's experience, that in past what was he is doing, his education, their projects, their certification, their languages, their skills. So you can see that we are scrapping the comprehensive data of our potential leads. So yes, if you want me to build the system or you want to scrap the leads, you can contact me. I will scrap and I will deliver the quality, and you can see I showed you live. Thank you so much.